Good morning, ma'am. So I am here again, Christian Seth Ibanez, and I am about to report about the statistical tool. For the problem number 1, frequency distribution will be used because it is an overview of all distinct values in some variables and the times they occur. For problem number 2, 4, and 5, descriptive statistics such as mean, standard deviation, and percentage will be used. Um, For problem 6, 7, and 8, the researcher will make use of the ANOVA formula because we are looking for the significant difference of the problem. For problem number 9, 10, and 11, Pearson or moment of correlation will be utilized because the researchers is looking for the significant relationship of the problem. So, thank you so much, ma'am, sir.